In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop and fit images in Adobe InDesign. Let's start by selecting the image on your page. Choose the selection tool, the black arrow, and click the image. You'll see a frame with handles around it. This frame is what defines what's visible. With the image selected, drag any of the frame handles inward. As you pull the handles, you're not cutting the image, you're simply hiding the parts that fall outside the frame. This method is a non-destructive crop, which means the full image remains intact behind the scenes. What you see inside the frame is your crop, and you can always reveal more later if you change your mind. If you want to fine-tune which part of the image shows through the frame, switch to the direct selection tool, the white arrow, click directly on the image inside the frame, and you'll notice you can move the image independently of the frame, slide it left, right, up, or down until the most important part of your photo sits perfectly within the visible area. This is a great way to refine composition without resizing anything. For precise control of size and placement, use InDesign's fitting options. With either the frame or the image selected, go to the Object menu, choose Fitting, and pick the option that best matches your goal. Fit content to frame forces the entire image to match the frame's dimensions exactly. This is useful when the frame size is fixed, but be aware that if the image and frame have different proportions, the image can stretch or squish to fit. Fit content proportionally keeps the image's original proportions while scaling it so the whole image fits inside the frame. Nothing gets cropped with this choice, but you may see extra space in the frame if the aspect ratios don't match. You can always adjust the frame afterward to remove any empty areas. Fill frame proportionally also preserves the image's proportions, but it fills the frame completely. If the aspect ratios differ, some edges of the image will be cropped to make sure the frame is fully covered. This is ideal when you need a clean edge-to-edge fill without distortion. Once you've applied a fitting option, you can still nudge the image with the direct selection tool or tweak the frame with the selection tool to refine the result. Remember, everything you've done is adjustable and reversible, so you can experiment freely until your layout looks just right. That's all you need to confidently crop and fit images in InDesign.